The Government of India has clearly stated fact-finding report from the police, wherever it Proctor is guilty, then we can suspend him. We cannot suspend him otherwise. Until then, the Deputy Proctor will hold the additional charge. That is one decision. The second thing that we have resolved is, there's a huge section, I have number of representation. We must continue with our academic schedule. Classes should not be disrupted. In case of classes being disrupted, I have very clear guidelines in my ordinances, but even the Government of India and the faculty supports me. Either we get the police in or we close the institution. If you do not allow us, if you want to agitate, give me your representations, come and talk to me, but 3 or 4. Please don't repeat what you have done last night in my room. That is not allowed. That's what I want to state. You know, we continue on Monday morning, we start our classes, we will have police on the campus for security reasons. If you disrupt, then there will be a problem. Then I will have to close. That's what I have told the larger. There are a huge number of students wanting the classes.
Ma'am, we will also
They
sign.
all want classes.
We will also sign because we want the administration to function. We want classes.
Welfare measures, one more point I want to make. I've told these students, I will tell you also, I will take 2 students you give from BA, MA, wherever. We will bring in welfare measures for the university so that things like this are not repeated on our campus. Hostel, library, wherever we need to bring development, that is my agenda. I want the university to progress. We will bring development measures into the university so that things like this do not happen. Facilities will be provided, but disruption of classes will not be allowed. I've been very patient for 4 days. I cannot allow that to happen now. We must continue with our academic schedule.
Ma'am, we also did not enter your room before 4 days. We have also
I
been really patient.
my dear, I'm going to
And also, you had assured us that you will take care of our demands, and you asked us to be out of the room for 20 minutes, in which you were going to do all that in writing and give it to us. You assured us. When we went out, we had faith in you that as the head of this institution, whatever you have said,
I will not allow my students. 5 days. And my students should not get into administration. You have recommendations or anything, you tell me, we will do
we've
it.
already given you, ma'am, so
No, but
many
your
letters.
number of
Before
recommendations
yesterday,
are
we
given.
did not come into the VC's office, ma'am. We only give you letters.
Can I say
we give you
something?
representation.
No. You are not student.
I'm not a student. Who are you?
Enough.
Can I say something?
No, we have informed the decision about the
Sorry. We don't want.
Can I say something?
Let her go. We all go.
Let her go. We can address. There are ways.
Sorry.
There are ways to voice out your this thing, but not this the way. Okay.
problem. What will I do? They won't do anything. Let them touch me.
But this is not the ways ఉంటాయి. Ways ఉంటాయి.
Of the university from Monday. We extend our support and we demand that the classes are begun as soon as possible after resolving all the issues in the campus immediately. And we also sense that the administration wants to sideline the issues in the campus and just focus on the classes. We do appreciate that we want classes, we do demand that we want. The administration is also threatening with disciplinary action. The administration is trying to divide the students, saying that these are the people who want classes and these are the people who don't want classes. We do want classes. We do want classes to restart as soon as possible, and we do want to take some productive measures. Have never been violent, and they are not going to be violent. And this sudden security issue that has come out from the administration side is a clear tactic to say that, to threaten the students that don't go for the protest because they are violent, they are bad, they are saying things that are not reasonable, so we can't do that. They are not intelligent. They just want classes to be stopped.
Shame on Vice Chancellor.
That is not our intention. We don't want classes to stop. We want the university to function properly. We want everybody to go to their classes, do their assignments, get their degree against classes. We want classes, and we want administration to let it, happen. We want administration to make it possible. So please tell your friends, the protest is not against classes. The protest is against the insensitivity of the administration to resolve the issues in our campus. The protest is against the administration's failure to address the student causes, the demands that have been put by the students. The administration is not doing any productive thing to address the demands that have been put forward by the students. Instead, they are shouting at us saying that you don't let the classes happening in the campus. It is the administration who is responsible for this situation. So they have to make sure that the classes start on Monday. Please spread this word. Thanks.
We want
Classes!
We want justice.
We want classes! We want justice! We want classes! We want justice! We want classes! We want justice! We want classes! We want classes!
We are saying that we are not obstructing the class. It is the administration, without taking any decision on this issue. It is the administration stopping the classes that you all know.
We want justice!
Who wants to miss the classes? Do we want to miss the classes? We have our papers to be submitted. It is the administration which is not even taking. Yesterday we talked to her, but she said that nothing can be possible.
Suspend!